Hi guys, I'm West African Baby, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this really quick, inexpensive Halloween look. I'm going to be transforming myself into Susie Carmichael using my favorite Uncle Funky's Daughter products. So yeah, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, I'm West African Baby, and today I'm going to be transforming myself into one of my favorite Rugrats characters, Susie Carmichael. So I'm going to be using my Uncle Funky's Daughter products as usual to achieve this look and show you guys how you can achieve this very quick, very adorable Halloween costume. Literally the style takes less than 10 minutes to do. So yeah, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and split my hair into sections. You're going to do 3 sections, 2 in front and 1 at the back. So we're going to start with moisturizing. So I'm going to go ahead and spray some water in my hair before I start to apply my products. The water I have in my bottle is warm water. It helps my products absorb better into my hair. Next, I'm going to be taking Thirsty Curl, which is a curl leave-in revitalizer. And I'm just using that as a spray leave-in before I apply my cream. This just soaks really well into my hair. My hair really likes Thirsty Curl. It helps to refresh your curls and add more deep moisture into your hair. Next, I'm going to be applying extra butter on top of that. So extra butter is a really nice and rich cream that is just going to help seal in all that moisture in your hair. It also contains a lot of really nice butters and oils and plant extracts that also help to moisturize your hair and keep it very healthy. As we're getting into the colder months, my hair prefers thicker butters and creams because my hair is very coarse, my strands are thick. So thick butters and creams help to really moisturize my hair, lubricate it and lock in all that moisture. So I'm just going to take one of my hair ties and use it to do a simple puff. So that is one puff, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other 2 sides. Moisturize my hair and tie it into a puff with one of my hair ties. Now this Halloween look we're doing, like I said, it's Susie Carmichael from Rugrats. Susie is one of my favorite cartoon characters, so I decided to do Susie. There are so many different looks you can do with natural hair, especially if you're looking for last minute looks. You can do Minnie Mouse. I've done Minnie Mouse before. You can do Disney princesses as well. Belle, Princess Jasmine, Tiana, even Snow White. So there's so many different types of looks you can do with your natural hair. All you have to do is be creative. Most of my costumes, I get them off Amazon. It's usually cheaper if you order it there, and it's better to order it early enough so that the package comes to you quickly. So now I'm just tying my other section, and after doing that, I'm going to also do the back portion as well. So this is the back and this is me done. As you can see, my hair has so much shrinkage. That is how the back of my hair has shrunken after I moisturized it. So I went ahead and did one section just to have a feel of what I was doing and practice. Now I'm going to show you guys what I do with the other section. So I'm going to be using some Kanekalon hair that I had, braiding hair that I had lying around my apartment. I'd advise you to use hair that matches your hair texture more. I could have used Marley hair, but I didn't have Marley hair, so I just used what I have. But thankfully, it still worked out. So I'm going to be splitting each puff into 3 twists. So that is my 3rd twist that I'm doing. Then after doing that, I'm going to start doing the braid. Like I said, it's better for you to use hair that matches your hair texture and also matches your hair color as much as possible. The best hair to use is mostly Marley hair. So as you can see, I'm splitting it into 3. I'm going to be using the whole thing straight out of the pack. I didn't even remove the band. I'm splitting it into 3. I'm going to use that to do my braid. Try your best to hide your own hair, especially if it doesn't match. Try your best to tuck your hair in so that it doesn't look crazy. Just try to tuck your hair in as much as possible, especially if you're using hair that doesn't match your texture. Some parts of my hair are still showing through the braids, but I'm going to go back in and adjust it so that it looks better. So now I'm going to do the 3rd braid. I have a mirror in front of me and a mirror behind me. That helps me see what I'm doing as I'm braiding the back of my hair. So I'm done doing braid number 3. Next, I'm going to start putting my hair accessories. So I got these scrunchies off of Amazon, and there are 3 scrunchies inside because she has 3 braids. So I'm just going to put the scrunchies at the top of the braid. This style is so easy and so straightforward to do. You can literally get everything you need from Amazon. Next, I'm going to be putting my flowers at the ends of my hair. So I made these flowers myself. I literally just took some red and yellow fabric, cut it up into the shape of a flower, sewed the yellow parts on top of the red, and attached it to my hair ties. And that is what I'm going to be putting at the ends of the braids, because Susie has flowers at the ends of her braids. So I'm going to also do that to the back, and that's basically how you do the hair portion. Very, very straightforward. Next, I'm just going to do the makeup. The makeup part is very basic and very straightforward. We're not going to be doing anything extra. Just simple foundation, concealer routine, and a little bit of red lipstick because Susie has red lips. So that is what we're going to be doing for the makeup part. Just keep it as simple and as basic as possible. So after blending in my concealer, I'm going to be taking some powder, using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder, and I'm going to use to set my concealer.
Do I have to teach you babies everything?
If you're gonna order anything from Amazon, I advise you to order early enough because I ordered my outfits, my yellow top and purple leggings, and Amazon, actually it was USPS lost my package, so that was a whole mess. It took me about a week to finally get another outfit to use. I had to go to Ross and buy another yellow top to make my dress and everything. So it was a really stressful situation trying to get this outfit together. But yeah, just order your stuff early so that you wouldn't have to go through what I went through in case USPS loses your package like they did mine. But yeah, so now I'm just putting on a little bit of mascara on my lashes, and now I'm gonna put on my red lipstick. This is my favorite red lipstick ever. It's from Sephora. Favorite after Riri Woo. That is my favorite. This is my second favorite. So yeah, I'm just gonna be using that on my lips. This is a beautiful shade of red. It's I think shade 94, Cherry Moon. And that's basically it for the makeup. So very simple and very straightforward. So this is the final result. This style, like I said, is very easy to do, very inexpensive. You can literally create this look with less than $30. If you're looking for last minute Halloween hairstyles, this is definitely a look that you can try. You can get all the stuff you need at Amazon, or you can go to Walmart or Target or Joann. Any of your local fabric stores should have stuff that you need for this look. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This style is so adorable and it's very quick to do. It's a really nice look, especially if you're looking for last minute looks. All you need to do is just get some braiding hair, and preferably braiding hair that matches your hair as much as possible. These bands, the hair scrunchies, I got them off Amazon. This dress, I made it myself. You can actually just buy a yellow dress. That's what I did. So I bought a yellow dress and shaped it to my size, and then bought some fabric and put the purple flowers on it. My purple tights, I also got them on Amazon. So yeah, you can definitely get all these things on Amazon. All the products I use are from Uncle Funky's daughter. You can find all the products I use at Target or online at unclefunkysdaughter.com. If you shop online, you can use my code West African Baby for 15% off all your purchases. Uncle Funky's daughter also has a travel size kit that contains all of my go-to products. It has extra butter, super curl, thirsty curl, curly magic midnight train. So my leave-in and my creams that I use on a regular basis are all in this travel size kit. So if you haven't tried Uncle Funky's daughter products before, I'd advise you to buy the kits because it has like all the essential products and see how they work on your hair before you go and invest in full-size products. It's a very efficient small size that you can take to travel and stuff. That's all I have for this video. You can check me out on Instagram at West African Baby for more pictures on this look. Also, don't forget to follow Uncle Funky's daughter too at Uncle Funky's daughter. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.